Hi, welcome to Tents for Rent. When you see our website or give us a call on the phone, you miss everything that goes on behind the scenes to give you a great event. So today I'll be taking you on a tour of our facility. We moved to this location in 2015. It gave us a spacious showroom, more storage space, and a large indoor area for washing and drying tents. You can visit our showroom to see tent photos, sample linen colors, chairs, tables, and more. We even have a small tent in our showroom. Whether you choose to meet with us in person or communicate over the phone or by email, we will work with you to create an amazing event. To help you visualize your event, we can even create a CAD drawing to help you plan ahead of time. During our busy season, our schedulers work hard to coordinate dozens of pickups or deliveries each day. Changing weather, heavy traffic, last-minute order changes are only a few of the challenges they deal with every day. Thanks to them, everything flows smoothly, most days. After deliveries and pickups are scheduled, they are hung up on the red board, ready to be loaded into trucks. Our indoor loading area allows us to load trucks in all kinds of weather. Our large screens show us the crew, vehicles, and routes that are scheduled for the next several days. Crews can access this information from their computer or a phone. A large overhead fan keeps loading crews comfortable. Most of our delivery vehicles are pickups and trailers. That allows us to get into small driveways for backyard deliveries. The ramp doors also allow fast, easy loading and unloading. With over 500 tents, 800 individual tent sections, and 70,000 square feet of warehouse space, everything needs to be organized and efficient. So each tent has its own number and assigned location, so that loading and unloading is much easier. Each pallet spot has a number and a label telling what's stored there. We have numerous different machines that help us around the job site. Our jackhammers drive stakes into the ground. The stake pullers pull the stakes out of the ground. Our mini skid steers move items around the job site. We also use our electric carts to move smaller items around the job site. Our tent washing area helps us keep our tents white and clean for your next event. This washer holds 5,000 square feet of fabric or up to 1,000 pounds of tent at one time. That's a little more than your average front load washer at home. We collect and store 90,000 gallons of rainwater to wash tents. Each load uses 600 gallons. After a tent is washed, it's hung up here to dry. If a tent is taken down while it's wet, it's also hung here to dry. We do some of our own repairs and fabrication for trucks, rental items, and other equipment. This is our truck wash bay where we keep our trucks and rental equipment clean and shiny. We clean our floors regularly to keep our warehouse and rental equipment in tip-top shape and clean. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to stop by in person and we'll give you a full tour. That didn't make any sense. Oh, it doesn't look that great at this point, but ready. Don't cut my head off. The one time I did see you almost cut my head off. That's not what I wanted to say next.
I thought you were getting close to the end.